Last week, we created our open house email design. This week, we're going to create a smart plan to send it out. Let's go. It's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and I'm picking up right where we left off. I'm still in the email design. Don't forget to save it. We didn't do that last week, but yes, you need to save it. You can even rename it. Alright, so now I'm going to click save. When I've done that, I'm going to click X and click save again. Now, I'm going to my smart plans. And nope, there's no smart plan in the library for this. You just have to click create in the top right corner. We're going to call this the property address and the date so that we don't mess up. We're going to click apply. And now on the left hand side, this is our steps, and on the right hand side are the actions. The only thing we want to do is click send email. That's all we want to do. And then we're going to put the subject as open house 145, open house, and the address. That's going to be our subject, whatever you put for your open house subjects. And then we're going to click on designs for our email type. And we're going to select the design that we just created. I'm going to click on it, and it says, please be aware edits made now will change the design in your library. Any smart plans or campaigns using this design may be affected. Click got it. It's going to bring you back to the design editor. We already made it how we wanted it. We're going to click on the eyeball just to make sure it looks good. I love it. Looking good. I'm going to click the X. I'm going to click save. And remember, we edited this last week. We built this. So we're going to click the X. We're going to click save again. And now our email is ready to be sent. We're going to click save. And we're going to go out of the smart plan. Now to add people to this smart plan, you can do that one of two ways. You can see here's my smart plan, the open house one. Over here, I can add contacts. I can search by tags, so maybe I want to send this to all the agents in my database, and maybe I want to send this to my sphere, and maybe I want to send this also to my sphere because I have two tags in there. I need to clean that up. And then maybe I also want to send this to any past clients, and that's probably all for my database. So that would be all of those. So here they are. That's going to give me 533. I'm going to select all, but you got to be aware that when you select all on this page, it's only 20 people. So to select them all and add to smart plan, you have to keep doing this over and over. I don't like that feature. And if you have more than 20 people, you're going to want to go to your contacts and do a bulk add. So I'm going to click cancel. I'm going to go to contacts. I'm going to use my filters, and I'm going to search on tags, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to send it to agents. I'm also going to do sphere. I'm going to do past client, and I'm also going to do SOI because I have that tag as well. I'm going to click apply, and then you see I still have my 533. I can show 500, so I'm going to have to do this twice. So I'm going to select all, select my bulk action, add to smart plan, select my open house smart plan email, and I'm going to remove my contacts with errors. And then depending on when your smart plan is, you can start them all now, start on the following date, and choose a date. So I really don't want to send this today. I probably want to send this Monday or Wednesday of next week. So I'm going to click on the date and click confirm. And then that's going to put all those people on my smart plan. Anyway, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click next, add all these people again to the smart plan. Select the bulk action, add to smart plan, select my smart plan, remove the contacts with errors, start them all on the date, click 31st, and click confirm. And that's it. I hope you like this video, and I cannot wait to see you using this and emailing your database your smart plans for your open house announcements. See you next week.